It's Debb Bunny. Hey, what's up, buddies? Welcome back to another video. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you're about to find out right now. Today is Ratchet Friday, and I got a video where Barber's doing a lip prank. Nothing's more ratchet than this, okay? What I really want to see in this video is if the person just sits there. And like if the guy just sits there while this barber play with their lip, that's just dirty. I think it's dirty. I think it's ratchet. So let's go. But before we get started with this video, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn your post notification. If you want to see more videos like this, if you're not new to my channel, welcome back to another video. So we gotta dive right into this video.
Prank.
That's not funny. He really let him bring his whole finger down his lip. Like what? What did you think he was doing? Measuring your hair from your lip to your chin? Come on now. That's nasty. Oh, shit. Yo, he just sitting there. I would have dead cursed him out. Wow. He really let him do this.
Hold up. Hot towel? Yeah, sure. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
He's like, this is normal. What?
All the way? Wait, man, thanks, bro. I appreciate that. Oh, is there some more water on that? Oh, yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that.
Barber prank.
I think that was planned. That was planned. That was planned. Yo, he was not having it. He turned his head ASAP.
Barber prank.
He's not gonna say nothing like, yo, you gonna be wet, bro.
Get him.
Some of these gotta be planned. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you gonna have him sit there and pour water on your face like that and not say nothing.
You about to braids?
Yeah, she's supposed to come tonight to braid the joint down, and she told me to do that.
Okay. Where she stay at?
She stay in Baltimore.
Sure. So you about to go?
Damn, bro, y'all need like raid in this joint, bro. Y'all got bugs.
Yeah, the exterminator said he was about to be here next week, but
Can I get like half off? Damn.
I can't say that, bro. I fuck, bro.
They're stupid.
Like, but yeah, she said she was supposed to come tonight. Damn. Bro, give my money back, bro. I need my money.
Yeah.
So I tried that barber lip prank today.
I don't think that was planned.
I'm gonna shoot you.
I hate you. Wow. Yo. That was funny. That was funny. Yo, do you see his face?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Wale, if I slap you. Oh yeah, come here.
Yo, I had to get that side, bro. Yo,
Oh my goodness. They're stupid.
Hey, here, hold my phone real quick. It's good.
He's the other guy from the other video.
How much mask do you need to put on?
Nah. Nah. Oh my goodness, he ripped his shirt.
Keep spinning them in the chair and don't stop.
He's not gonna see nothing. I was been said something in the second spin, like, yo, bro.
Oh, you said if I were to do that. That's not even bad. Yeah. How long were you looking? You don't care? Yeah, a lot of other ones went up way more than that.
It's stupid. He wasn't even gonna say nothing.
Was it? Oh, that was her spray.
Oh, nah. Oh, nah. He's gonna be tight. What the hell did he do?
What is this, fam?
Fam, it looks clean, fam. Stop. Are you
Bro.
being for real?
I'm serious, fam. What is
Bro,
this?
it
fam?
looks clean. I just lined that shit up straight.
You play too much, bro. What is this shit, fam? Look at my fam.
Fam, it looks crispy to me.
Bro, my hairline never been this.
Yo, he's tight.
Bro.
Stop fucking playing, dude. What the fuck?
Lip prank.
Oh my goodness, you let him do it. Yo, you not even like that. Facts, well sus. Wild sus, nah, he was wild sus. Ain't no way I'm gonna let somebody sit there and play with my lips. Just ratchet, yo.
Got him again.
Father's Day, Dad. Go ahead and do this razor. My stomach is killing me. Stomach is bubbling. Yeah.
This is Pops.
Hold up, man. What's wrong? What the hell is that smell, bro? I told you. Chill, why you fart, man? Come on, man. Fuck out. Man. It don't even smell that bad. Trail, what in the hell? What? Go to the bathroom, bro. What does it smell like? Go to the bathroom. It smells like ass. What? Damn, it does not smell that bad. Man, get this off of me, man. Damn, just get this off of me, man. Your ass stink, man. Something went up your ass and died 5 times, bro.
Yo, you is dumb tight.
No, this whole damn cake stink.
It won't take long at all.
This whole, man, nah,
It won't take
just
long
take
at
this
all.
off, man.
All right.
Shit off me.
Some of your guys in this video is super sus. Ain't no way I'm gonna have somebody play with my lip and not say nothing. Yo, the last dude that the lip prank, him just sitting there was ridiculous while he was playing with his lips. Super sus, dude, super sus. This will be the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to share my channel. I'll see you next time in another one of my videos.